Welcome to our channel Divya Anubhav. Pausha Putrada Ekadashi Vrat Katha in English.
Dharmaraj Yudhishthir asked Lord Krishna, O Lord, please tell me about the observance of the Ekadashi Vrat during the month of Posh. On this day, which deity is to be worshipped, and what is the proper procedure? To this, Lord Krishna replied, O King, the name of the Ekadashi in the bright fortnight of Posh is Putrada Ekadashi. The observance should be performed with the prescribed rituals. In this vow, one should worship Lord Narayana. By the merit gained from this, a person becomes virtuous, knowledgeable, and prosperous. Now, let me narrate a story related to this. In ancient times, there was a city called Bhadravati, which was ruled by a king named Suketuman. He was childless, and his wife's name was Shaivya. Due to the constant worry of not having a son, the couple remained anxious. The old fatherly figures of this sonless king used to perform funeral rites for their ancestors with tears in their eyes, wondering about who would conduct these rites for them after their demise. Even though the king and his kingdom were very prosperous, he couldn't find contentment with this glory. The sole reason for this discontent was the absence of a son in his life. He contemplated who would offer him funeral rites after his death. Without a son, one cannot be liberated from debts to ancestors and deities. A household without a son is always in darkness. Therefore, one should strive for the birth of a son. The wealth, son, etc., are obtained in this life through the deeds of past lives. In this way, the king remained engrossed in this worry day and night. One day, the king contemplated giving up his body, but as he pondered, he realized that suicide was a grave sin. With this thought in mind, the king secretly went into a forest one day. Riding on horseback, he began to observe the birds and trees. Elephants were wandering around with their mates and young ones, and the forest was filled with various creatures. The king immersed himself in deep thought as he observed the scenes around him. After some time had passed, due to thirst, the king became restless and started searching for water. After a short distance, he came across a pond. Surrounding the pond were ashrams of ascetics. At that moment, the king's right limb started twitching. Feeling happy about this good sign, the king dismounted from his horse, prostrated before the ascetics sitting by the pond, and then sat before them. Upon seeing the king, one of the sages spoke, O king, we are extremely pleased with your presence. Please tell us how and why you came to this place. In response, the king asked them, O sages, who are you, and why are you here? Please enlighten me. The sage replied, O king, today is the auspicious Ekadashi of Posha Shukla Paksh. We are Vishwadevas, and we have come here to take a holy dip in this pond as the sacred festival of Magh Snan will be observed 5 days after the Ekadashi. After listening to the sage, the king expressed, O revered sage, I have no son. If you are pleased with me, then grant me the boon of having a son. The sage responded, O king, today is the Putrada Ekadashi. It would be best if you certainly observed this fast. With the grace of the Lord, you will undoubtedly be blessed with a son by the merits of this Ekadashi fast. Following the words of the sage, the king observed the fast of Ekadashi, performed the Parna on Dwadashi, paid respects to the sages, and finally returned to his palace. In the end, the queen conceived, and after 9 months, she gave birth to a son, a true gem. In the end, the prince grew up to be extremely valiant, wealthy, successful, and a protector of the people. Bhagwan Shri Krishna said, O king, to attain a son, one should observe the fast of Putrada Ekadashi. Those who listen to and recite the glories of this Ekadashi are bestowed with heavenly rewards in his lifetime and attain moksha in the afterlife.
Thank you for watching. Please do like this video and subscribe our channel Divya Anubhav. Do share.